everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm showing how to make simple yarn wig. This is mermaid inspired wig, so let's start. The amount of yarn needed just depends on how full your wig becomes. First thing to do, measure how long you want your hair wig look like. I measure 96 cm. Since I don't have a head wig mannequin, I used my plastic piggy bank as my head wig mannequin. So when done, Grab your model, which in this case is Zach. Sorry son, you're in the wrong place at the right time. Start styling your wig. Use your fingers to comb through the yarn and smoothly pull it to the side to create a low side ponytail. Hold it in place while a hair rubber band, or you can tie it in place with a piece of yarn. You can add whatever accessories you like, and your wig is ready to go. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs and see you in my next video tutorials.